Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Today in this video we are going to learn the numbers from 11 to 20 in French. Aujourd'hui dans cette vidéo nous allons apprendre le nombre de 11 avant en français. 11 11 11 11 12 12 12 12 13 13 13 13 14 14 14 14 15 15 15 15 16 16 16 16 Dix-sept 17 Dix-sept 17 Dix-huit 18 Dix-huit 18 Dix-neuf 19 Dix-neuf 19 20 20 20 20 Once again we repeat 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe.